Okay, well, I'm cleaning dishes, but hold on, we have to tell you about the brownies. Okay, so we were making these brownies earlier because we were hungry, and then so we followed the instructions perfectly, well, a little bit, and then we made them, and they tasted pretty good before, but now. Yeah, they kind of died. So we're gonna do a little experiment. We're gonna see what happens if we put it in the microwave.
Get a plate. Get a plate!
What's up? No one like that.
Don't just stick it in there. What happens if it melts?
Well, that will prove our experiment was good. Okay, so we're gonna try to cook this.
Bottom.
Go. Okay. It's squishy. It's kind of smoking, but it's squishy. Wait. Oh, wait a second. Ew, that's kind of gross. Wait. Oh my god, it's good. Oh, genius.
It's good. Hey, Kelly,
I'm a genius,
what
man.
would happen if we put a bowl of cereal in the microwave?
Depends, with or without milk.
Let's do it.
Okay. What should we use?
Cheerios. Cheerios.
Yes, honey nut Cheerios. That's hot. Let's do it.
And put the milk in.
That's good. That's some good cereal.
Now stick it in the microwave.
Minute again.
Yeah. Kelly.
I might need some oven mitts next time. The plate was kind of hot last time. Dude, what? Come on, where's my cereal?
I don't even know.
Did we have to start all over again? Do it again.
Kelly.